Hello guys, it's Lamore Tech over here. So over here we'll be creating a simple login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So over here this is the interface of the login and also this is the interface of the register. Okay, so with the login, maybe already have an account. And if you want to log in into website, just put in your email address and your password and also press the login to log in into the website or account that you want to be in. If you're not have an account, you just go to register and fill your details over here. So let's jump into the code, the VS Code, and show you how we go about it. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating a simple form or a simple login and a registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so over here this is the file, this is the HTML file we will be working over here, and this is also the CSS file. Okay, and this is the link of the CSS, and also this is the title of our website. So next we will add some content in a body tag that will be displayed on our web page. Okay, so in this body we have to add an image on a full screen. So here we will add one div with a class name container. Okay, so for our CSS we are going to add our image to the CSS. Okay, so we will add our weight. So our weight, we set our weight to 100%. Okay, so our weight is going to be 100%. For height will be 100 each. In our background image is going to be linear gradient. And we set our color code. Okay, so we will copy the code, the background image. Okay, so URL, okay, with the name of the image that we want to insert. Okay, so this is the name. Yes, so after that we set our background. So our background position will be center. Okay, then our background size will be cover. Then our position will be relative. Okay, so within the form, it has the HTML file. We will open our live server. So this is the image on the complete web page. This is our image, the image that we set. This is how it's showing, and you can see some colorful blue and white background on the image. So within the container, let's add one div with a class name form box. Okay, one div with a class name form box. So let's add title to the form. Okay, so each one, so we're going to name it sign up. Okay, then we will create a form without wasting much time. Just going straight to the point. Okay, so sorry for any inconvenience. Create another div. We are going to name it as the form and go to the input and so after finishing the form title, we are creating the form ID. Okay, so our login form, we started with the form ID to go to the login form in the input type. So with the input element, it represents a type data field, usually with the form control to allow users to edit data. Okay, so that's the element of the input. That's how it represents. Okay, so after the input, we insert the email, the place with the last email, and also the password. So after creating the email and the password, we also created a button. So with the button element also represents the level by its coordinates. Okay, so after creating the button, then we submit. So with the P indicates the paragraph. Okay, so the P indicates the paragraph. So after creating this first login form, we copy and paste and also create another register form. In the same process, is I will be changing some text and some names over here. Okay, so with the register form, that's over the inputs, we saw first name and also the second name. So with the text, our first name has been required to enter our first name, and also our second name has been required, and also our email and the password, and also confirm password. Because with this account, we are about to register a new account or a new form. Thank you very much. So we move to our CSS file, and also over the CSS file with the container, we have our weight to be 100% and also our mask weight to be 400 pixels. Okay, so after that, our form box, we are going to also design some new nice features over there. So with the background, we set our background to be white, our padding to be 30 pixels, our border radius to be 10 pixels. Sorry, our box shadow, we have 0, we have 15 pixels, we have 25 pixels, and also we give a color code for our box shadow. And also we have text align. Then with our H2, that's our form title head. Okay, so we are going to set our margin bottom to be 20 pixels, our color code for the title to be blue. Okay, so the blue is the color code for our heading. And with the form input, we have the width to be 100%, we have the padding to be 12 pixels, we have our margin to be 10 pixels and 0, and also we have our border radius to be 5 pixels, and with the border we have 1 pixel solid, and also we give a color code for it. Okay, so this is the color code for the border. With the form input focus, we have the border color to be, so this is the color code for the border color, and we have an outline to be none, so our outline one. With the button, we have our weight to be 100%, our padding to be 12 pixels, our background to be, this is the color code for the background, our color is white, our border is none, the border is so guys, don't waste too much time. I'll be just scrolling for you to see how we code the CSS. We coded the CSS. Okay, so I'll be scrolling through for you to see how we coded the CSS. So I think the last one was the not hidden to this. And over here we created a function both register and also login. So with the login form we have the class list that's hard, then it has been hidden. So we did the same for register. And with the latter part we created a login form function for the submit button. So with the submit button to alert us whether our login was successful or not. And also with the register form function, the submit form was also there to alert us whether our registration was successful or not. Thank you very much for your time. So today our main purpose was to create a login and a registration form using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's jump into the web page and see how best we did the logins and the registration form. So over here, this is the login page, and also this is the registration page. So with the login, this is where we already have an account and we want to log in. So we just type your email address and also fill your password and also fill your email address. And also if you are not having an account, just go to the register and also create, you fill your first name, the second name, do your password and also confirm your password again before you do also create an account. Thank you very much once